Hey everybody, we have a 2-bedroom villa here at Disney Saratoga Springs, and I'm going to take you on into the room. It's a preferred room, and that puts you in 2 different areas. You can either be in the carriage house area, which is by hospitality and the main pool, or you can be in Congress Park, which is the area right by the walkway to Disney Springs, and that's where we are. We are room 2421. Take you right on in. Nice mirror, cute table. So we'll go this way first. This is the queen room. Nice big closet. Kind of coat rack to hang things. Oh, I like the leather straps. That's nice. That's, I believe, an equestrian detail. You'll see a lot of those here. So this is the bathroom area for this room. Oh my gosh, huge. Look at this massive sink. Massive sink. Oh, I like the spindle detail. That's nice. Isn't hers giant mirror? Oh, that's cool. And then this would be the shower. Pretty tile. Your toilet. We've stayed here, so it comes with more towels. Nice little shelf, your H2O products. I like that tile. Oh, it's textured. That's nice. Pretty colors. Beautiful shower head. It's a nice bathroom. And here you have a nice double closet, like tons of space. Tons and tons of space in here. And then check out the room. Look at the queen beds, the tufted headboards. They're gorgeous. Some more equestrian details. I like these light fixtures. Oh, look. You have USB ports and outlets on the lamp. And I believe, yeah, you have some more on the side of the dresser too. And outlets down there. Oh, I like this lamp. Oh, that's like leather. That's cool. Like braided leather. It's a cool lamp. Ooh, it's a pretty chair. Oh my gosh, I really love this room. What do you like out here? Okay, so there's Disney Springs across the way. Very pretty. I like that detail of the windows up top. Very pretty. All right, come on out of this room into the main area of the room. Oh my gosh, so cute. We can get it without the glare. It's Johnny Fedora and Alice Bluebonnet and their horses. So cute. Your thermostat. You have these light switches. This one just does the fan. So it's the fan light and the fan itself. Oh, there's a Mickey for us with plates. Cute. So your little banquette seating area with 2 extra chairs. Mirrors here. There's a Mickey there. I love this light fixture. Look, like the leather you'd see in horse tack. How cool is that? That is a really nice lamp. All right. And you have your kitchen area. You have your refrigerator, freezer, your microwave, your stove and oven, your toaster, bowls, water glasses, more glasses, juice glasses. Oh, wine glasses, a big platter up there, plates, coffee mugs, smaller plates. Then here's all of your cookware, your Pyrex, your colander. mixing bowls. I like the tile back here too, that's cool. There's your coffee pot, paper towels, all of your coffee accoutrement. You have dishwasher, all your silverware in there, cooking utensils, pots and pans. Well, I guess just pots. Then over here must be the trash and recycling. Yeah. Oh, we had pizza. Nice big sink, lots of counter space here. All right, you move on in. You have your phone, you have your Hello Disney. Look at this. How cute is he? Cute, 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 cute. This pulls down into a double bed, and this over here pulls out into a single bed. I'll show you that. Here is the full bed out here when it's down, and look, so cute. Donald and Daisy, Goofy being a peeping Tom, Minnie, Mickey, and Pluto. Cute. And then this is a twin bed. Pull out. Oh. There's Goofy the jockey. That's where your ninth goes. Another really cool lamp. Lots of cool light fixtures in here. Lots, lots. You could actually sleep a person here. Very cool old Mo. I really like that muted blue color in there. And the curtains. Like, this is a really nicely appointed room. And here you have our balcony. Oh, cute. Saratoga Springs Resort with the little race horses on either side. Adorable. It's just like a baby balcony. But we have a view of this area's pool and also Disney Springs. You can see on the other side of that beautiful magnolia tree is the balloon. So that's fun. And yeah, so the walkway to Disney Springs is just right down this path. Lovely. Such a great location. I absolutely love the color choices here. All the fixtures, all the mirrors, the tile. Stunning. Whoever designed this did an amazing job. I guess you could probably sleep a person there if you wanted to. Child. All right, now we'll head on into the master. So this is the laundry right here to the left. All right, and to the right here is the master. Big king size bed. Photos from Saratoga Springs in New York. With some Disney touches. That is cute. I like the way they have them hung too. It's another pretty mirror. Another cool light fixture with outlets and USB ports. Over here we have, oh, I like this, with the studs on them. That's pretty. Lots of drawers, 6 drawers, plus shelves in the middle. And then I believe over here, yep, outlets and USB ports on this side and on this side. I should probably take this with me. Another very cool lamp. Sitting area over here in the corner. Now there is carpet in the bedroom, which I don't hate because it's nice to get up and have softness under your feet. Out in the common areas, it's that the faux wood. Let's just check over here. Did they have no carpet in this side though? Interesting. Okay, sorry about that. Back to the bathroom situation. It is enormous. Right off the master, you have this area, which has your big tub, giant sink with the mirrors, which I love because it has regular lighting and backlighting. Very cool. Nice big sink, plenty of places to store things, drawers, shelves. You come in here, and this is another closet. This is where your ironing board is, your iron, your safe. And then in here, you have the shower part of the bathroom. It's an oddly shaped shower, but pretty good size. Shelf for your stuff, H2O products, nice shower head. Actually a pretty good space. No lip to put your leg when you shave, so I guess you just waterboard yourself. Another sink with a mirror, and this is the actual bathroom area. Your toilet, and this all closes off from the master. So you can actually come out this way too and have a separate entrance to the bathroom without having to go through the master. And that's it. There you have it. That's the entire room. Like I said, I absolutely love it here. I love all of the equestrian details. It's so nicely appointed. It's gorgeous. It's renovated. It's bright. It's open. Just heaven here. And it's just a hop, skip, and a jump to Disney Springs, which is where we're headed for brunch. So thank you guys so much for coming on the tour. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you stayed here, and we'll see you next time.